ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা আমাদের সবারই একটা স্বপ্ন। আমি ইংরেজি পড়তে পারি, আমি ইংরেজি বুঝতে পারি, এমনকি লিখেও দিতে পারি। কিন্তু ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারি না। কেন? কেন? এই প্রশ্নটা আমারও ছিল। আজকে আমরা জেনে নিব কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে সাবলীলভাবে ফ্লুয়েন্টলি কথা বলা যায়। কি পদ্ধতি অবলম্বন করলে সবাই ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারবে। Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I think all of you are fine. I'm also okay by the grace of Almighty. Today I'm gonna describe you about the effective way to learn the speaking English. So let's get started. How many of you learned grammar before you're speaking your mother tongue? No, I think nobody. Every one of us have learned how to speak fluently in our mother tongue. How it possible? It has possible by our environment. We always heard the fluting words and sentences from our mother and the environment, and by this way we can gain our English language too. So dear viewers, if you want to gain your speaking English, you have to follow this effective way. Everything your daily activities you should try to say in English in small words. If you suppose when you wake up in the morning, we can say, wow, it's a nice morning. Now I will go to brush, I will go to washroom, brush my teeth, say my prayers, then I will get ready. You can make small talking words, you can make small talk, small sentences with your environment. You can say it to yourself. By this way you can improve your speaking. You can watch drama or movies in English, and also the conversation or any English topics, or cricket match or football match in English. Okay, then I think if you do it regularly and if you can make it in your daily routine, your listening skill will be improved, and then you can make some small sentence or big sentence day by day gradually. When you listen something from a drama, a movie, I think you can say something just like them, and you can make some sentence as you heard from them. If you don't get any partner to make your conversation with him or her, then you can do this. You can sit in front of a mirror at your home or any other place. Then you can make conversation with yourself, that is inside of the mirror. Here nobody is here to stop you. You think this is an opportunity for you. There is nobody who will stop you when you make any mistake, when you are in shy. I think by this way your shyness will be removed forever, and you can gain your spoken English day by day. When you don't get anybody to make conversation with you, you don't have any partner, then you can do also these things. You can talk to your body organs, that is, you have 10 fingers of hands, you have your body organs, many things. Then you can talk to your fingers, just like you have 5 fingers. You can talk with your fingers, also your body organs, and you can also talk to the environment and the sky, everything. I think air, everything is your friend. Nobody will stop you when you're talking. So dear learners, I think all of you can gain this way, and if you want to improve your spoken English, you can try this way to gain your spoken English, and I'm sure if you can try this way, you can gain your speaking ability. I think it will help you. If you don't subscribe my channel, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel. Then you will get all of my video when I upload. And thank you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.